Hello. Today we're talking about clutter. Imagine that. And when we are decluttering, I want you to imagine the giveaway part. So if you're giving something away, that means you're donating it to someone else. I want you to ask yourself the question, would I buy this if I was in a secondhand store? Would I purchase this item? So if it's not worth purchasing, then don't give it away. You need to throw it away. And I know that seems hard. You've gotten a lot of use out of it, or you really loved it when you bought it. And I think sometimes we're blinded by love. It doesn't look the same as it did when you first bought it. If you can look back at pictures of that item before, when it was new and shiny and now it's old. So there's nothing wrong with old. There's something wrong with worn out. So if you wouldn't buy it at a shop, then don't give it away. That's it for today. Make it a great day.